Hello and welcome to Exploring Expressions, a series of videos that allow us to explore more of the low-code element of Power Automate, but one of the most powerful parts that allows us to do data manipulation while the flow is running. Today we're going to look at Slice. Now Slice is designed to be able to allow us to extract a string of characters between a start and end point, and we explicitly say what the starting number is and what the ending number is. This differs to substring, which we explored in a previous video, where we looked at a start point but then counted a certain number of characters forward. This time we are being much more explicit with a section of the string that we want to extract. So as an example, I have a string which is today is Monday and it's raining. And in this expression, I want to extract just the word Monday. So in order to be able to use Slice, we need to be able to, first of all, give it the string, and I've got the string stored in my compose action here, but then I need to tell it what is the start that we want, but also what is the end. So if I count up my characters, and I go starting from 0, because 0 is the first index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the first character that I want. So I'm going to remember that, I need 9. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But actually the slice looks at everything before that. The end of the slice looks at the characters before. So actually what I want is before the space, which is 15. So if I come into my compose, let's come to my expression editor and let's say slice. So the first thing that it wants is text, and then it wants a starting index and then an ending index, potentially. If I look at my see more, I can also see it down here. So it's going to return a section of a string defined by the start and end and what it wants. So let's go and put in some dynamic content to start with, and let's go and put in the outputs of my initial compose. What is the starting index? And I said I wanted it to be 9. And then when we counted the number of characters, it was going to be 15. So effectively what I'm looking for is all the characters where it's greater than or equal to 9 in terms of the index, but less than 15. So if we remember, that's the way that the logic works. The first index is greater than or equal to, and the final index is less than. So let's go and press add. And let's hit save on there. And now let's go and test it. Okay, so now it's taken my initial compose, which was today is Monday and it is raining, and the compose output is Monday. So we've managed to extract that single piece of text out of the string based on knowing where it starts and where it ends. Very, very simple way to explain this to start off with. We will revisit this one when we start to explore some of the other expressions such as index of, which means we can more dynamically find the start and end. But for now, I hope that was useful. If it was, please do share this video with others so we can help others to really start to take advantage of what Power Automate can do. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.